Hey everyone, I'm Avery, and today we're diving into a question from the actual 2021 selective school exam about evaluating arguments. Here's Gabriella's claim. Zoos should be banned because it's wrong to keep wild animals in captivity. They should live freely in their natural habitats. Now, let's look at four statements and decide which one most weakens Gabriella's argument. A. Zoos provide an opportunity for humans to see wild animals without having to go on safari. B. Modern zoos try to ensure animals are given some exercise and stimulation. C. Some wild animal species would die out completely if they were not bred in captivity. D. Wild animals kept in confined spaces can display extremely distressed behavior. Option F focuses on human benefits rather than animal welfare, so it doesn't strongly counter the ethical concerns about captivity. Option B shows some improvements in zoo conditions, but doesn't address the fundamental issue of captivity versus natural habitat. Option C presents a critical point. If certain species can only survive through captivity, this necessity might outweigh the argument against zoos. Option D actually supports Gabriella's argument by highlighting the negative effects of captivity. The strongest counter to Gabriella's argument is option C. It introduces a vital aspect of conservation, suggesting that the existence of zoos is justified if it means saving species from extinction. What do you think? Do the benefits of conservation through captivity outweigh the ethical concerns? This question challenges us to weigh complex moral and practical considerations. Thanks for joining me in this exploration of critical thinking. Remember, keep questioning and thinking critically. See you next time.